Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to talk to you about this awesome iPhone 10. The thing that made me nervous when buying this phone is that the back also is made out of glass, which gives it a very cool look, but of course I drop my phone all the time, so I was super nervous. Having a good case really helped. It hasn't even scratched or broken at all, even though I have dropped it a few times. Apple makes very good products, and so is the back of the cell phone. Is very well made. It's a good material. It's very resistant, so don't worry about that. One of my favorite features about the phone is that it doesn't have a home button like older phones, so you just use face recognition to unlock the phone, which is super convenient. And of course, the quality of the picture, the videos, the quality of the screen is excellent. It's a retina display, so you can see everything in very good quality. And the sound of the speakers is actually very good if you're just listening to music or watching movies in your room. So if you're looking for a great iPhone that has all those different features that the newest ones have, but doesn't break the bank, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.